In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Grammarly on your desktop and give you some troubleshooting tips along the way. Whether you are using it to fine-tune an important work email or to ensure your latest essay is error-free, Grammarly is a fantastic tool that's easy to access and use. Let's dive right in with the steps to get you logged in and ready to start writing. First, you'll need to go to the Grammarly sign-in page. If you haven't done this before, simply open your web browser and type in the following address: www.grammarly.com sign in. Alternatively, you might be familiar with the Grammarly editor. If that's the case, you can also go to ap.grammarly.com. Either of these links will bring you directly to the sign-in page, where you can begin the process of accessing your account. Now, once you're on the sign-in page, it's time to enter your credentials. This is the email address and password that you used when you first set up your Grammarly account. If you're like many users who prefer a streamlined approach and originally signed up through services like Google, Facebook, or Apple, you'll want to use that option instead. Simply click on the button corresponding to the service you used, and it will guide you through signing in with those credentials. After you've entered the necessary information, either your email and password or by choosing a social media login, click the Log In button. Sometimes, the button might be labeled Continue. Either way, it takes you to the next step in the sign-in process. You'll know you're on the right track when the service acknowledges the information and begins logging you in. At this point, if you're accessing Grammarly via a desktop app on Windows or Mac, you might be prompted to complete the sign-in through your browser. This is perfectly normal. What happens here is that the desktop app will open a browser window to finalize the sign-in. If it does, be sure to copy the URL if necessary. You may need to paste it into another browser window if there are any issues with the current one. Once you've successfully signed in through the browser, you should see that the desktop app has also reflected this change. You're now logged into Grammarly, and you can begin using it right away. And there you have it, a simple guide to signing into Grammarly on your desktop. If you encounter any issues, make sure your credentials are correct and try the troubleshooting tips mentioned. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now geared up to elevate your writing with Grammarly's powerful tools. Happy writing!